Hey, what's up? Hope you're doing well. It's John with bsuperfly.com. Wanted to show a few of the favorite features of mine when I was making Minima, and I think you'll hopefully like as well. To start off with, a lot of Divi sites don't have this type of header up here. Cool things about it is there's this additional call to action button, which at our agency we utilize StoryBrand a ton, and they're always big on having a call to action up in the navigation bar. And then you have this nice big hamburger menu that launches a nice full screen menu with you can have a custom background image here, and there's an overlay, so you can control how heavy the overlay color is to make sure these are all legible. And then just fun little tiny animation. You can also have a call to action highlighted button in your regular menu, and then just a nice several pages here. So that's one thing I like about it a lot. I spent a lot of time coding this to where this would all line up correctly, or at least in the ballpark. And there's tutorials that show you how to change colors of all this stuff up here, the hovers, background image, these links, the call to action in the menu. So that's cool. Also had some fun with a little bit of a brightness type effect on this image hover. This floating guy I like a lot with the subtle drop shadow, just looks great. Just showing some different things I really like about this theme. Simple blogs. I'm such a fan of the simple blogs. I wish this was default by default Divi, not having the border and all that stuff. This is great too for like a little services area, or here's some of my latest work, and folks can hover on it and then click and go to that case study or whatnot. And then I also hadn't seen a lot of FAQs done in this type of manner, so I'm pumped about that. Yeah, just trying to do some different things with the grid, design-wise, breaking it out. Love utilizing background videos in not your normal traditional spots. Usually it's like in a section background. And then this huge button. I saw this on a Squarespace template, and I was like, gosh, that's kind of cool. I kind of like that. So I included that. And then we also have an example on the demo side of what this looks like in a dark mode, which I think looks absolutely beautiful. And it's just showing, again, you can have a custom background image for your site. And then I changed these colors up here, obviously, in the hovers. But, man, this looks, and that highlight effect looks really cool on here. Man, the dark mode looks really nice. Really happy with how this dark option turned out for this page. So yeah, the rest of the page is just the same as the home page on that. And then I built Minima thinking like there was a couple large agency websites I saw that I drew inspiration from. And so I added like services in a work page. You probably can't tell really, but this image is actually coming towards you. At the beginning there, it was like the Ken Burns effect here. But yeah, for services, design, development, strategy, copywriting. And in the CSS, you can change this to always show if you want. And on mobile, we're actually doing that. On tablet and mobile, we have these always showing up, the text, so people don't have to hover to read it. And then let's check out the works page. So yeah, just an example of different portfolio items you could have up here, and then link to another page to learn more about that certain work. And then clean reviews, call to actions, contact. This image is also growing towards you. You can tell easier on this one because the font is going away. I like using that effect on random spots as well, but super simple contact page. And then let me refresh this one, but blog post, custom template for the blog post, super simple. Again, the featured image automatically gets put here. It grows as well. And then just a simple published on whatever, very clean blog post. And then lastly, we have a tutorials page that you can get to on the demo site from the menu. And this shows everything from how to install it, how to edit the CSS, which is very minimal. I clearly explain how to edit it, and it'd be very easy for even for a new person to do. And then the rest of the tutorials are just on how to edit the certain things, how to edit the call to action link, stuff like that. And then just other features like the column switch, where this switches on tablet and mobile, so the image is up top versus the text, unlike default Divi where the text would be up top, the image would be below. So there's some things like that. And this column switch one, actually, you could use on any Divi site. You can take the code from this video and write it down and use that on any site. Same with this Ken Burns. You can use that on any site that you wanted. It doesn't have to be Minima per se. All right, so thanks for checking out this From the Designer video. Glad you're checking out Minima. Hope you like it. Thanks for your support. All right, cheers, y'all. Stay fly.